So look at the board. I have two different problems on exponents where we will use different laws of exponents. I will start with the 17b and see, if you are first time doing this type of problems, you need to listen and learn the way of solving this. See, it is given that 2 power x is equals to 4 power y is equals to 8 power z, and also given x into y into z is 288. Our target is to find this 1 by 2x plus 1 by 4y plus 1 by 8z. Okay. What I am doing is, just look here. See, 2 power x is equals to 4 power y is equals to 8 power z is given. X into y into z is 288 is also given, and I have to find this particular value. See, here the base is 2, here the base is 4, here the base is 8. You need to convert everything as base 2. Okay? Given is this part, and what I do is, this is 2 power x and 4 is 2 square to the power y, 8 is 2 cube to the power z. Just I am rewriting 4 as 2 square and 8 as 2 power 3. And now this implies this is 2 power x, and we know a power m to the power n is a power mn, so 2 to the power 2y, and a power m to the power a power mn, this can be written as 2 to the power 3z. Just observe, very simple thing, everywhere 2 is a common thing, common base, so you just equalize the powers. So x is equals to 2y is equals to 3z. X is equals to 2y is equals to 3z. Right. Our target is to find this value, and for that I need x value, y value, z value. I have x is equals to 2y is equals to 3z, and this one x into y into z is 288. Use that logic. Use that logic and then try to simplify. Okay? Right. From this, x into y. What is y? X is equals to 2y. Then y is what? X by 2. What you say? X is equals to 2y. Then y is equals to x by 2. Into z. X is equals to 3z. Then what you say about z? X by 3. So this is x by 3 is equals to 288. X into x by 2 into x by 3. X is x cube divided by 6 is equals to 288. Yeah, how to rewrite that 288? 288 is simply 2 into 144. What you say? And then send this 6 that side. X cube is equals to 6 into 2 is 12, and 144 is 12 into 12. X cube is equals to 12 into 12 into 12, and so x is equals to 12. Is it right or wrong? Right. Since x is equals to 12, what you say about y and what you say about z? Then y is equals to, x is equals to 2y. So x is 12, and so y is 6. Directly I am writing, and z is equals to 4, because here I have 3z is equals to 12, so z is equals to x by 3, 12 by 3, which is 4. So finally we have x is equals to 12, y is equals to 6, z is equals to 4. Now, as per the question, we need to calculate this value. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 4y plus 1 by 8z value we need to calculate. I have x as 12, so 1 by 2x is 1 by 24. I have y as 6, so 1 by 4y is 1 by 24. I have z as 4, so 1 by 8z is 1 by 32. You just simplify it. I think you all know the way of simplifying this. That's the problem. Very simple, but it is a descriptive type of problem. 2 power x is equals to 4 power y is equals to 8 power z is given. X into y into z is 288 is also given, and our target is to find this particular one. For that, initially get a relation between x, y and z. Use this x, y, z is equals to 288. On simplification, x is 12, y is 6, z is 4. At the end, you need to simplify, you will get the answer. Right? Just have a look. 17b is over, and then you just look at 17a. 17a is also a simple problem. Yeah, where a power 1 by x is equals to b power 1 by y is equals to c power 1 by z is given, and abc is equals to 1 is also given. This is one relation and this is another relation, and our target is to find the value of x plus y plus z. Okay, right. See, for this type of problems I will go in this way. A power 1 by x is equals to b power 1 by y is equals to c power 1 by z. These three are equal. Is it right? Right. These three are equal. These three are equal and equal to what? These three are equal and equal to what? So you just let these three are equals to some k. This is our way of assumption. These three are equal and these three are equals to some value k. Okay? You need to let in such a way. If you let it like this, a power 1 by x value is k, b power 1 by y value is k, and c power 1 by z value is also k. And from the basic definition of exponents with rational powers or with the nth roots, a power 1 by x is equals to k. If you send this 1 by x that side, what will happen? Everybody, if you send this 1 by x that side, it will become power x. A power 1 by x is equals to k. We will rewrite it like this: a is equals to k power x. And in the same way from here, b is equals to k power y. As I said, this is the basic conversion. And c power 1 by z is equals to k, so c is equals to k power z. So a is k power x, b is k power y, and c is k power z we have now. Given, also given, a, b, c is equals to 1. That is the sense, the product a into b into c is 1. So here a is what? K power x into, b is what? K power y into, c is what? K power z is equals to 1. And left side, k power x, k power y, k power z, since bases equal, you just add the powers. K power x plus y plus z is equals to, that 1 is k power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So rewrite that 1 as k power 0, and since both sides the bases are equal, you just equalize the powers. So x plus y plus z is equals to 0, and your answer at the end for the problem is 0. Very simple. And this way of assumption, considering that a power 1 by x is equals to b power 1 by y is equals to c power 1 by z is equals to k, is the main part, key part of the problem. And after this, just simply express a, b, c as k power x, k power y, k power z. Use them and get the value of x plus y plus z. And these two are simple problems related to this conversion of power 1 by n to the usual exponent. And in the next class, I am going to handle some more problems. Okay? That's for this class.